To round off, we're going to try the new light rail Tren de la Costa that runs from here to Bourges. Our guide gets the tickets and we wait for the next one to arrive. This is a bonus as most of Argentina's railways have been shut down. This was once an ageing broad gauge line and it's been revitalised. It looks well used. Soon we're on our way. It's quick, clean, air-conditioned, which must make it unusual out here. With just a little time to spare, we stop off at San Isidro. This seems to be a pretty major stop with restaurants and fast food outlets. That looks very much like an old station building. Well, our holiday has come to an abrupt end. When we get off, we'll go back by bus to our hotel, get changed, pick up the luggage and then it's off to the airport for the flight home. The tram finishes here and connects to the old Bartholomew Mitre line to Buenos Aires. But we're out of time as we've got a flight to catch.